Hello guys, I hope you're all good. Today I've decided to ngenze le video just to tell you a little bit more about myself and the reason why I opened this YouTube channel. I understand ukuthi abantu abaningi bazibuza ukuthi why I don't post a lot. You understand why I stopped posting my video in this channel. So one thing I can tell you is that guys, it is hard outside. Yabo, there are a lot of things that we are dealing with. There's a song kanathi ethi asilwe nabantu silwa nemoya. So now I believe ukuthi there are certain spirits that we are fighting, and that makes it hard for us ukuthi to pursue whatever dream that we want to pursue. You understand? Because uyayiqala into but along the way kuba nzima ukuthi uqhubeke nayo, yabo, due to umzima bempilo. You understand? So I opened this channel, I think it was around 2019, late towards the year end 2019, and the reason for that is because I'm an artist. I know most of you don't know what I'm an artist. I'm doing music, do house music, Afro pop. I'm a vocal artist actually. My stage name is Mcebus. So I opened this channel just to do music, just to post my musical journey. You understand? So by looking at, you know what, it is hard to push your music if you are not known. Yabo. So I've decided, you know what, let me see what I can do just to draw a traffic from outside to my channel, so that abantu abaningi bezongibona mase ngiqala ngenzenjani mase ngipost music wami. So I did that, and it happened ukuthi what I was doing ngiqala, it worked for me. You understand? I started my channel, I think I started posting in my channel, I think it was 2020. Nesikhathi se-COVID, everyone was at home. A lot of people, there was nothing ababeyenza, babehlezi ekhaya. Most of them were watching on YouTube. Like they spend most of their time online. You understand? So that is where I get to get the number of audience engayithola on YouTube. You understand? So it was a good start for me. I'm not gonna lie to you saying ngahlangabezana nesikhathi esinzima, cha angaze ngize ngibone umzimba. You understand? And I just want to thank everyone that I started working with. You understand that they were supportive. Sasebenza kahle nabo, even though ngangingenalo ulwazi olutheni. You understand that everything that I was doing, it was something nje engangisifundisa yona. You understand? As you can see, some of my videos, in terms of equality, ayikho good ngaleyo ndlela leyo, yabo. So saspana ke until waphela unyaka. So the channel was not monetized ngaleso sikhathi. Then kwaba 2021, then ngathola icall yesipani kwathiwa ngithola umsebenzi. Then I have to move from where I was to Ejozi. So ngahlukana ke nalabantu engangisebenza nabo. You understand? That is where le spark lesi sokushutha esa disappear ngakhona, because I left the people that I was working with at home, and now I had to meet new people, ngizama abantu engizosibana nabo, and it was hard for me, I'm not gonna lie. But I think the biggest problem here is that I lied to myself. Yabo? Mina, I kept on lying to myself, saying angikhoni ukuqhubeka ngenze isipani just because of the people I was working with are no longer close to me. You understand? Because I believe ukuthi everything that you want to do emhlabeni, it starts within you. You understand? Once you tell yourself ukuthi you cannot do something, automatically you are telling your body ukuthi wena ngeke uzokhona ukwenza leyo nto leyo. Yabo? So your mind has a big influence emzimbeni wakho or in your reality. You understand? Once you start telling yourself ukuthi you cannot do something, it happens. Eventually, it happens physically. ukuthi ingakhoni vele ukuyenza leyo nto. So what I can tell you ukuthi in everything that you want to do, don't ever tell yourself ukuthi ngeke uzokhona. Tell yourself ukuthi, you know what, angikwazi, but I will do my best and I will learn along the way. Yabo, I will take it as a challenge for me to learn or to grow. You understand? Even if I fail, it won't stop me. The failure won't stop me ukuthi ngifike la ngifuna ukufika khona. Yabo, I will do whatever it takes for me to become what I want to become. Yabo. So I ended up stopping ukwenza YouTube, and then the channel got banned because the content that I was posting, I think some of my friends sasishare, and then YouTube thought ukuthi mina I was stealing other people's content. Then I got demonetized. Then for the whole year, I think around 2022 or 2023, I'm not sure, then I got banned. Then the channel is I think last year. Yabo. So lately I've been sitting and telling myself, you know what? Okay, since you can't do ama video acting, what else do you love? What can you do to add value with society esiphila kuyona? Okay, guys, most of the time I spend most of my time mangibukela YouTube watching ama vlogs. You understand? So I believe ukuthi if I can start doing ama vlogs but azoba related kwelento le engifunayo nengifisa ukuthi abantu beyazi or befunde ngami. You understand? Because one of the biggest things engisifunayo ukuthi the people who subscribed to my channel ukuthi bengi-understand kangcono and understand amaphupho engawo. You understand that? Because in this channel I want to teach, I want to inspire, I want people to grow, I want to help people to grow. You understand? I want to help those who had the same problem that I had. Yokuthi ngisdoubt, ngibe ne depression, ngibe ne low self-esteem, ungasithembi. You understand? I want to teach people those things. I want to teach people about success. I want to invite people who are successful ukuthi bezositshela istory about how they became successful. Yabo, to tell us each journey abayihambile for them to become where they are. You understand? I want to invite business people. I want to teach people about business. I want to teach people about property. I want to teach people about traveling. I want to teach people anything that has to do with spirituality. You understand? I want to teach especially young men how to become a real man. You understand? So I want to invite all those people. You understand? So that is the reason why I decided to put, you know what, it is good for me ukuthi ngibuye la. Yabo, because it is hard ukuba nephupho but you don't bring that dream into reality. You understand? I know sometimes ukuthi izinto ezinhle they take time. I know sometimes ukuthi for you to become successful or people to get to understand what exactly you are trying to do, you need to invest more of your energy into your craft or into whatever you are trying to do. Yabo, if I get 30 views njengamanje kule video engiyenza manje, it should be something engijabulisayo. Yabo, angingamelanga ukuthi ngisicompare nomunye umuntu because yena uthola 1000 views per hour, then nami sengifuna ukusifanisa nalowo muntu. It shouldn't be like that. You understand? Those 30 people should be an inspiration in me ukuthi at least there are people, there's a number of people ababelievelayo lento engifuna ukuyiqala, abakholelayo ukuthi mina I can become something, I can change the world, because it only takes one person. If you can change one person's mind, it's easy to influence the whole society. You understand? So injalo guys. So what I can tell you right now, if you have a dream, don't be afraid to start. There is no other time ongathi this is the right time for me to start. The only right time is now. The time that you are sure about, because if you are going to tell us about the future, you are lying to us. You are telling about something that you don't know, which is the only right time is now. You don't have any other time except the time that you have right now, because God has given you now. We don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. What if the phone that you have right now, and then when you wasted your time thinking about you still have time, so I believe you don't have to even think, you know what, quality phone just do it. Just tell yourself you will grow along the way. If you fail, you will learn. And if you fall, you will pick yourself up and continue with your journey until you make it. And one of the things engekho proud ngazo ukuthi I kept on promising people izinto while knowing very well ukuthi I'm the person ongawagcina ama-promise. And I regret that. But right now, I'm not going to do any promise to people. Yonke into engiyifunayo ngifuna ukuthi babantu bebone ngama-results. And today, this is the very first video, and I believe ukuthi from this video you should expect more. You understand? So if you want to start, this is the right time for you to start, guys. There is no any other time that you can expect ukuthi sizofika kuwena. uNkulunkulu kuphi manje? Whatever idea that comes to you now, I think kumele usebenze iphiwa lelo phupho ngaleso sikhathi. Because if you wait, whatever omunye umuntu uyamfikela leyo nto eyenze kuqala, then uzothini? And into engifuna ukuyibonga kunina ukuthi you kept on watching my videos even though I'm not posting. You kept commenting, you kept subscribing, you have never stopped supporting this channel until today. And ngithanda ukunibonga, ngitshela futhi ukuthi ngiyanthanda. I know ukuthi kusazoba nzima, but what I promise you ukuthi I will hold on until izinto zibe ngconywana. Ngiyabonga, ngiyanthanda. If you were with me from the beginning of this channel, please just say hi or say I'm with you. Ngizokukhulekela izinto zibe right. Ungitshele futhi ukuthi if uyangithanda, ungitshele ukuthi cha cebo siyakuthanda, and we really want to see you grow. Yeah, understand? Ngakujabulela ukuzwa lokho futhi I hope kuzongiqinisa, kuzongenza ukuthi indlela yami ibe impumelelo, because there are a lot of things engifuna ukuzenza. And my dream is to see myself helping young people, helping everyone engamsiza, you understand, through this channel. But for yonke lento engishoyo ukuthi ibe successfully, konke ngikunikeza kunina, because isupport ngicela kunina by ukubukela icontent yami, ukulike, ucommente, and to tell me ukuthi cebo thina as people, this is what we want you to do for us. Yabo, this is what we want to see from this channel. This is what inspires us. This is what motivates us. You understand that these are the people that we want to see from your channel. You understand? So as time goes by, I think ngizonga understand ukuthi ngubani, ngibuyaphi, ikuphi engikufisayo. Nje, I will be telling you more about my journey, about the dreams that I have, about the things that I want to achieve. Like, I will be telling you more about myself. You will get exposed to my reality. You understand? Thank you guys for your time. Thank you for everything that you have done for me. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for loving me. Please comment, like, share. Just show me love, please. Thank you.